What brought me into personal injury law was I was involved in an automobile accident when I believe I was about 10 years old, and my mother was driving the car, and my sister and I were in the car. And I think it was Christmas Eve, actually, and we got T-boned by a drunk driver in a pickup truck, and we spent like the next 2 weeks in the hospital. And the insurance company for the drunk driver came and got my mom to sign a release for $1,200 while she was laying in her hospital bed. And in the end, it didn't even cover her medical bills. So I think I did have some, and at the time, of course, I didn't recognize what had happened, but my mom sort of explaining that situation to me sort of motivated me to get into personal injury.
Many times people ask me, why do I do this business? Why am I engaged in a personal injury attorney? Because it is not easy. It is stressful. It used to be years ago, justice prevailed. Who was right, who was wrong, and whoever was right, that's who wins. But that's not how it is anymore. Now, defense attorneys and insurance companies attempt to sneakily, gotcha moments. So we have to really be alert, and we really have to know our stuff. Since I can remember, I have always had a drive to help people. Even when I was 5, 6, 7 years old, I remember I was the person that was going to make someone feel better. I was going to help them. And it continues to this day. When I successfully help someone in need, whether it be financially, emotionally, euphoria courses through my body. I just have this feeling of fulfillment. And I've always had that.
What's unique about a personal injury law firm, unlike a corporate law firm, is that for many of our clients, we are the first attorneys they've ever had working on their side. For the most part, they do not have an attorney on retainer who they can call up with a question. And oftentimes, even the only attorneys they've ever dealt with have been perhaps a prosecutor on a traffic ticket or a lawyer representing a landlord or another business that's suing them. But with personal injury work, the clients are individuals. They're people. They're real people. They come to us and they hire us. I make a really important point to tell them that I am their attorney and I work for them. And it's really important for them to realize that I am their attorney. I don't work for anybody else except for them. If they have a question, they can call. If they have a need, they can reach out to me at any time of day or night. I give many of them my cell phone number for that exact reason. But for those clients, when they realize for the first time in their life that this is an attorney who has my interests at heart and is going to do his or her best for me, there's a sense of relief for them. And I get a lot of pride out of that.
Your recovery is always our focus. Call for a free case assessment at 312-726-6722.